A couple minutes. About 15 minutes late than what I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be at 1 o'clock. Hopefully they ain't got a bunch of cars over here getting done. Don't know where I'm pulling at. Ugh. Shit. Yeah. Finally made it. A little late, but we here. So let's go in here, see what they talking about. Hopefully they like, yeah, y'all good. We still gonna go ahead and get the work done for me. So let's see. Get back with y'all in a minute. A little later, so I don't know.
That's fine.
You good?
Yeah,
oh, okay. I was like, I hope he like the doctor's office. You know, the doctor's like 15 minutes late, you good.
Yeah,
Anything over that, you're going to have to pay to be able to come back and be seen. You know, they be killing me with that. So, yeah. Yeah, I go to the doctor a lot. I got a lot of issues going on. But right now, the Magnum got issues, and she want to get a little work done. So, where we at with that? Oh, okay. Is they on the floor? And that that alarm I told you I had for a while, it's a remote start. Okay. So I don't know if it'll you have to look at all the wires and shit. Be like, man, this shit ain't all together. Right. You know, if it ain't, it ain't. I got it from a yard sale. Right. I done had it for a while, so you're not going to install it yet. You're just going to take a look at it and let me know if you can. Cool. All right, so we're gonna pull around and see what that's what's up. So we here. I got close to y'all. I got my new merch on too as well. What's up, bro? How you doing? Where's the pins at? They just laying there? They sitting on the floor on the passenger seat. All right, cool. Now, just so you know, when you go to get in the driver's side door, you gotta sometimes slam it because I was fooling with it and. On the passenger floor, it's actually in the middle and the back. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes the door don't want to catch, so you have to slam it. That's another thing I'm probably have y'all work on. So, yeah, we here, man. As you can see, they do vinyl work. I didn't get to show y'all the last time. They do vinyl work. They have remote starts. So if that one that I have don't work, I definitely will be getting a remote start from them. I really can't tell y'all everything they do. I know they do electrical work. You could actually hear it start up. That was good.
I could hear it. I don't know if they heard it because it's
oh, it's on me. That's right. But I know they do. As you can see, they do custom run step boards for the truck. So I'm be coming here to get all my custom work done. AAS Automotive. Dang. Hey, look. AAS American Automotive Solution.
There you go.
You got it that time. So, therefore, and just so y'all can see here go a card. I know it's funny as hell. So here you go. AAS American Automotive Solution. Give them a check out before I step outside. From my understanding and talking to them, they do a lot of work, electrical work. Anything, lift kits, flooring kits, vinyl, you know, custom wrap if you choose to. Tent, they do tent as well. They also do a little bit of automotive work as well, as you can see, American Automotive. So, therefore, with that being said, I get back with y'all in a little bit.
That's all that came in that kit though too, huh? You see these, like almost you need to adjust these. You almost need 2 nuts on one to put that on there so you can lift and lower it, you know?
Right.
And I just went through the whole box, everything we have. We have nothing that'll, like a fine threaded one that'll fit on there.
Yeah, all I knew, it looked like it had 2 screws on it, but I think that was with those.
Yeah,
That has two
with
on it.
these have the 2 nuts on there.
Right, and that's the only thing that came with 2 screws. That definitely did not.
But, I mean, I can just use this one for now to mark that for the hood, and then go from there as far as. But then I could install the other ones, the pins, but then we may have to, either get nuts for, or they may have to get longer ones of these.
Right. Fiberglass is always fun. It's official.
Little
You
imp.
can't turn back from here.
No turning back now. No.
Definitely no turning back.
That thing's still down about like this far. I don't know. Maybe, but it's a good one. Let me get this one out of here.
Like there was a fire over here.
What's that?
Like there was a fire over in the
Oh, that's from bedliner. Trucks doing bedliners, just spraying the inside of the bed. That's why when they go dark like that from.
Right. Ash.
Definitely no turning back.
Good thing you plugged in.
It's okay. It's still here. Yep, no turning back. See them holes? Add it to the rest of it. Yes, sir. Back with the pins in.
Yeah, that one actually seems like it.
As y'all can see, got it all set up. Quite sure y'all can hear me. Hopefully the clarity is very good right now. Where we at? We on channel 6630 channel. So, and I don't know how long we're gonna last because right now my battery's getting low. It's blinking, as y'all can see. So it's gonna be time for me to definitely charge this. But I think I like this spot. It got me in right away. I didn't have to wait, long time. So hopefully the hood pins will come out pretty good.